in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson L300 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson L300 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson L300. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down menu and select Go. And then expand the driver section. Select the print driver on this page. And then once you've downloaded it, open up the file to run it. Should be a signed verified publisher from Epson. Select Yes to proceed. And then just follow along with the on-screen wizard, getting your printer configured for wired or wireless printing, as well as optional features you may want to install alongside of it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.